Well, today's adventure begins at Colonial Williamsburg. We're gonna learn some history stuff.
That's true. It only took us 30 years to get here.
That's right. We used to live here and never visited, but we're gonna visit today. Come along with us. So how much does it cost to visit Williamsburg with a military discount?
Well, for the two of us, $70. It was a bit pricey, but we get the Blue Star.
Blue Star.
That allows us to go into the Liberty Lounge and get coffee, tea, or water.
Good. Let's go.
Well, we are at the Governor's Palace.
We definitely are. And what a beautiful palace it is. We're headed for the Robert Carter house. We got kinfolk there. Of course, the first place you stop when you come to Colonial Williamsburg, and also the last place you stop, is the gift shop.
Of course.
Always. Well, we're gonna have a good day. I'm Ricky.
I'm Barbara.
Together we're RV Underway. If you enjoy the RV lifestyle and the adventures that come along with it, then subscribe to our channel. Let's go see the palace.
Let's go see it.
Right here behind me, Uncle Robert Carter's house, or cousin. The Carters did originate in this part of Virginia. About 1758 is how far back we've traced them. Can't get it back across the pond though. Ireland, England, somewhere in there, but here's Robert's house. Right here behind us is the Liberty Lounge here at Williamsburg. And it's a place for military veterans and active duty to get out of the sun and cool off.
Cool off. Or if you're here in the winter, you get a cup of coffee, some hot chocolate, enough to give you a little bit more caffeine so you can hit the rest of the tour.
Or if you're here in the summer and it's 100 degrees outside, you can get yourself some coffee and hot chocolate like these two idiots did.
Like we did. But it was Dove chocolate.
Yeah, couldn't pass that
Couldn't
up.
pass that up.
Anyway, make sure you make the Liberty Lounge when you come to Williamsburg and say hey to everybody, sign the guest book.
Ah, mesdames et messieurs, chers amis, good people of the city of Williamsburg, my dear friends, please to allow me an introduction. The name is General Lafayette, though I believe that many of you may know me far better by my name of the French aristocracy, and that of course is Marie, Joseph Pauline Roch, Gilbert de Motier, le Marquis de Lafayette. Would you like to repeat that, monsieur? What a pleasure and honor it is to see all of you here on this simply magnificent day. How it is hard to believe. It is already the 25th day of July of this year of 1784. But nonetheless, a day of celebration, is it not? He said, Monsieur le Marquis, I sincerely believe that the easy part was winning this war. I could not imagine he would say such a thing after all of the trials and tribulations we have been forced to endure. But he explained himself further by saying, I do believe that the much more difficult part will be for these 13 former colonies that have now formed 13 United States, well, getting along with one another, surviving into the future. Well, my dear friends, I believe that this nation shall survive far into the future. And the reason I say that is because of the foundation that was built at the price of so much sacrifice and blood by you, the American patriots. In fact, I will go further. I will say that one day this nation shall serve as a beacon for all other nations to look to as the truest example of freedom and of independence. God bless you all, my dear friends. And God bless this great nation of the United States of America! How are you, monsieur?
Bravo.
Thank you, my friend.
Very
Madam, may I take your lady's arm?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Incredible show.
Thank you, my friends. Thank you.
Well, that just about does it for Colonial Williamsburg. We have had a blast today.
Yeah, really, it's been a great day.
What'd you like best?
General Lafayette.
General Lafayette, incredible. Beautiful architecture, great history. We've had a blast. Put it on your bucket list. Colonial Williamsburg, yeah, there's Busch Gardens, yeah, there's Water Country USA, beaches, Yorktown, but
a lot to do.
a lot to do, but you got to come to Colonial Williamsburg. If you enjoy the RV lifestyle and love learning more about it, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up, ring that bell if you like this video. Actually, ring the bell to be notified if new content is available, and leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. So from Colonial Williamsburg, I'm Ricky,
And I'm Barbara.
and together we're RV Underway. Until we see you again, fair winds and following seas.